What's up, guys? It's 59RKO.
And let's imagine.
So we gonna be doing a review on the
M2030B Airsft pistol.
2030B auto electric gun, JLS, created by Jia Shang. I think it's
Johnny
Alright.
Shine.
Figured out what to do with this. Take this. This is basically a long barrel.
Actually, I figured it out.
Just put it on, and the gun looks beast like this. We're not going to be doing a shooting review. It needs AAA badges. We only have AA. We'll get them later.
We're not doing one right now.
Yeah, we're not doing one right now, but we will be doing one later. And to take it off, there's a button right here, and you just pull.
That was the dumbest team in football.
Eagles, best. Alright,
They
so,
suck.
Loading. You want to come do this?
Yeah.
Loading. You take
Your BBs, which are 6mm.
12.
6mm.
You need
soft air
.12.
Caliber,
You need
0.12 gram, 10,000
You don't
rounds.
have to read it.
I just read it. You want to read it again? Oh. Yeah,
No, it's .12 grams, 6mm. That's all you need. You can buy them at any sporting goods store, such as Sports Authority or Dick's Sporting Goods.
Or his mom. Yeah. Oh, he whacked me with the mag! Stop trying to take it. No. Get off my bed. Ow. Hit it. Use these BBs hurt when they're pushed into your back. You're pushing a BB into my back, that hurts. So what you want to do is you just want to take a big handful.
No, you need 15 rounds. That's all you need.
Yeah. I just take a big handful.
Oh, dude, they feel so cold. Oh. Dude, you're not even in camera.
And I'm just loading them like this.
My hand in the BBs is in camera.
What you want to do is you want to take it, push it that way, then in. That way. In. It's kind of hard. And you have to be careful. Hey guys, from the NZ Productions channel, see if you want to put a comment in the description if you want us to start doing gameplay videos like montages for me on my channel. And then,
or some Madden full games.
Or hidden with Madden full games in after December, because we might get a PVR depending on what you guys comment.
No, we're gonna get a PVR.
But we might need a new laptop too, because you have to have it hooked up to both.
What?
You have to have it hooked up to both the computer and your Xbox.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
Well, then we'll hook it up to the Linux. The Linux.
Yeah, but you have to edit it and stuff.
Yeah, we don't need sound to edit it.
And it's fully loaded. Okay, guys, so it's fully loaded, and let's say you wanted to get them all out. But anyway, guys, you want to get them all out. It's just so annoying. And this is what you do. You take the paddle end, push down, and you fly them out. You want to push like this with the triangle end. And once you do that, they'll all spew out. And it feels good. Yeah, but guys, they all spewed out if you guys couldn't see.
Oh yeah.
And they're all over the place. And that's the only way to get them out
and
of
yeah,
the egg.
cool feature. Right here, right there, right there. There's a slide feature. There's a semi-auto setting and a full auto setting.
Oh yeah, we forgot to say, this is an electric pistol.
It's electric. It needs 4 AAA batteries.
4 AAA batteries, and we don't have them right now. So we have to go to the store.
We will be getting them.
Probably
10:30.
No, 10:30 is when I'm going.
11 o'clock.
Yep, because I
11:30.
I have to wait in the waiting room for like 5 minutes. Plus the shots take like 5 minutes.
And
Plus I have to wait there for 15 minutes after.
Sticking the mag in. You take the mag. All right. There's a hole right there.
Show him the hole. God.
Oh, okay.
No, give me the gun. My gun. Yeah, guys, this is BNZ Productions' actually official gun.
There's a hole like there. And then you stick the mag.
Get off of my gun. Yeah, so
AK-47.
What you want to do is you want to see this right here. You want to take it right into there.
And the slide.
And the slide just cocks back like
Oh,
this.
safety.
Oh yeah, safety is right here.
If you're holding this in, safety's off. If you don't have it held in, safety's on.
Okay, guys, but we can't show you that right now. It only works like that when you actually have the gun like
Loaded
with AAAs.
Yep. So.
And we're tired. We woke up at 7:10 and did our first video, and it's now 7:51. Can I pick up the camera now?
Eastern time.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not done though. Signing off.
See, I guess you guys can't see. Yeah, let me try and zoom in. Yeah, you guys can't see, but it's 7:51.
In the morning.
7:52 right now.
We have a normal sleep schedule, unlike some other people.
You sleep until like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And if one of you guys are around.
Or who don't sleep one night and sleep until 12 the next night, and then who don't sleep at night and then they sleep till like 12, and then they're up until like 2 in the morning, and then they fall asleep at like 5 at night.
Hey, why are you spamming me? I'm just kidding.
So see you guys. Can you end the video?